Mastering ISO 14064. ISO 14064 holds the key to unlocking operational excellence by mastering GHG emission control, which international standard, specifically designed to address greenhouse gas (GHG) emissions, clarifies its purpose and explains how its guidelines and requirements enable organizations to achieve operational excellence by establishing a framework for quantifying, reporting, and verifying GHG emissions. ISO 14064 is an international standard that provides a framework for organizations to quantify, report, and verify their greenhouse gas (GHG) emissions. The standard's primary objective is to support organizations in achieving operational excellence by establishing a comprehensive approach to managing GHG emissions. The first part of the standard, ISO 14064-1, outlines the general principles and requirements for GHG inventories. It provides guidance on how to design, develop, and manage a GHG inventory, which is a critical step in understanding an organization's overall GHG emissions. The standard requires organizations to establish a clear inventory boundary, identify and categorize emission sources, and develop a data management system to collect and store GHG emissions data. The second part of the standard, ISO 14064-2, focuses on the quantification and reporting of GHG emissions. It provides detailed guidelines on how to quantify GHG emissions, including the selection of emission factors, calculation methods, and data quality requirements. The standard also outlines the requirements for reporting GHG emissions, including the format, content, and frequency of reports. The third part of the standard, ISO 14064-3, addresses the verification of GHG emissions. It provides a framework for organizations to verify their GHG emissions, which involves an independent evaluation of the organization's GHG inventory and reporting process. The standard outlines the requirements for verification, including the qualifications and responsibilities of verifiers, the verification process, and the reporting of verification results. By following the guidelines and requirements of ISO 14064, organizations can achieve operational excellence in several ways. 1. Improve transparency and accountability. By establishing a comprehensive GHG inventory, organizations can demonstrate transparency and accountability in their GHG emissions management. This helps to build trust with stakeholders, including investors, customers, and regulatory bodies. 2. Reduce GHG emissions. By quantifying and reporting GHG emissions, organizations can identify areas for improvement and implement strategies to reduce their emissions. This can lead to cost savings, improved brand reputation, and compliance with GHG regulations. 3. Enhanced credibility. The verification process helps to ensure the accuracy and reliability of GHG emissions data, which enhances the credibility of an organization's GHG claims and reports. 4. Improved risk management. ISO 14064 helps organizations to identify and manage GHG-related risks, such as regulatory risks, reputational risks, and operational risks. 5. Better decision-making. By having access to accurate and reliable GHG emissions data, organizations can make informed decisions about GHG reduction strategies, investments, and operational improvements. 6. Compliance with regulations. Many countries and regions have implemented GHG regulations, such as the European Union's emissions trading system. ISO 14064 helps organizations to comply with these regulations and avoid potential penalties and fines. 7. Improved stakeholder engagement. By reporting GHG emissions and progress towards GHG reduction targets, organizations can engage stakeholders, including investors, customers, and NGOs, and demonstrate their commitment to sustainability. In conclusion, ISO 14064 provides a comprehensive framework for organizations to achieve operational excellence in GHG emissions management. By following the standard's guidelines and requirements, organizations can improve transparency, reduce GHG emissions, enhance credibility, improve risk management, make better decisions, comply with regulations, and improve stakeholder engagement.